Hello, how to solve for A and B in this problem? A plus B is equal to 8, then AB is equal to 48. Solution. A plus B is equal to 8. Let's call this equation 1. AB is equal to 48. Let's call this equation 2. Then from 1, A plus B equal to 8. Then we can make B the subject of formula. B is equal to 8 minus A. We can call this equation 3. Then from equation 2, we can now substitute for B. That is, AB is equal to 48. Then when B is equal to 8 minus A, we have A bracket 8 minus A is equal to 48. Now let's open the bracket. A multiplied by 8, we have 8A minus 8 times A, that is A square, is equal to 48. Then we can rearrange this. We have minus A square plus 8A. If you bring this 48 to this side, it becomes minus 40A is equal to 0. So this is minus A square. Then we can divide all through by minus 1. And if you divide all through by minus 1, minus A square divided by minus 1, this becomes A square plus 8A divided by minus 1. This becomes minus 8A. And then minus 48 divided by minus 1. This becomes plus 48 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. Our quadratic general formula is given as A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. And from this equation, A is equal to 1, B equal to minus 8, C is equal to 48. Now let's consider this B square minus 4AC, which is discriminant. That is, B square minus 4AC is equal to minus 8 square minus 4 multiplied by A is 1 multiplied by C is 48. This is equal to A square, 8 square minus 8 square, that is minus 8 square, that is 64, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 48. This is minus 192. Then this is equal to, if you subtract 64 from 192, we have minus 128. Now let's plug this in, which is the value of B square minus 4AC. Therefore, we have A is equal to minus bracket minus 8 plus or minus square root of minus 128 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of minus 128 can be written as 64 multiplied by 2 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. And of course, we know that square root of minus 1 is equal to I. Then A is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 64, that is 8, then square root of 2, and the square root of minus 1 is I divided by 2. A is equal to 8 divided by 2 plus or minus 8 divided by 2 square root of 2I. These two we cancel, 2 here 1, 2 here 4, 2 here 1, 2 here 4. A is equal to 4 plus or minus 4 square root of 2I. Therefore, A1 is equal to 4 plus 4 square root of 2I, and then A2 is equal to 4 minus 4 square root of 2I. We've gotten the value of A1 and A2. We can solve for B1 and B2. Then from equation 3, B is equal to 8 minus A. Therefore, B1 will be equal to 8 minus, what is A1? That is 4 plus 4 square root of 2I. Then B1 is equal to 8 minus 4 minus 4 square root of 2I. B1 is equal to 8 minus 4, that is 4 minus 4 square root of 2I. Now let's get the value of B2. B2 is equal to 8 minus A2. Then B2 is equal to 8 minus bracket 4 minus 4 square root of 2I. This is equal to 8 minus 4 plus 4 square root of 2I. Then B2 is equal to 4 plus 4 square root of 2I. We've got the value of A1 and A2. Therefore, A1 comma B1 is equal to 4 plus 4 square root of 2I comma 4 minus 4 square root of 2I. Then A2 comma B2 is equal to 4 minus 4 square root of 2I comma 4 plus 4 square root of 2I. We can see that A1 here is equal to B2 here, and then B1 here is equal to A2 here. So we can check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation A plus B equal to 8, then AB is equal to 48. Let's consider this. We know the value of A and B, then we have 4 plus 4 square root of 2I plus 4 minus 4 square root of 2I must be equal to 8. Then this will cancel this. We have 4 plus 4 must be equal to 8. And of course, 4 plus 4, this is 8, is equal to 48, which is true. Let's consider the product now. We've considered the sum. Then, now let's test this. AB is equal to 48. Then we know that A is 4 plus 4 square root of 2I bracket 4 minus 4 square root of 2I must be equal to 48. Now let's open 4 times 4. This is 16. Then 4 times 4 root 2I. This is minus 16 root 2I. This one is 4 root 2I multiplied by 4. This is plus 16 root 2I. Then we have 4 times 4. This is minus 16 multiplied by root 2 multiplied by root 2. That is 2. Then I times I, that is I square, which is minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. Everything must be equal to 48. Now, this will cancel this. We have 16 minus 16 times 2, that is 32, multiplied by minus 1 must be equal to 48. Then this is 16. 32 times minus 1, that is minus 32, multiplied by minus, that will be plus 32, must be equal to 48. Then 16 plus 32, this is 48, is equal to 48, which is true also. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.